So welcome to you all again. Uh, Today I'm going to start next colligative property. In last video, I have explained about numericals. Okay, and yes, before that I have explained one of the colligative property, that was RLVP, relative lowering in vapor pressure. Okay, so just now I'm going to start next because there were four types of colligative properties, and first one we have completed, and then after that second one is elevation in boiling point. Elevation in boiling point. Okay, elevation in boiling point, dear children. What is elevation in boiling point? Before knowing this, we have to know what is boiling point. Okay, so listen everybody. Temperature point at which temperature point at which vapor pressure of liquid becomes equal to atmospheric pressure is known as boiling point. Okay, I repeat again. Temperature point at which vapor pressure of liquid becomes equal to atmospheric pressure, which is acting like a lid, okay, is known as boiling point. What is elevation in boiling point? Elevation means elevated temperature. Okay, there is a term elevated temperatures means increased temperature. Okay, dear children. So in elevation in boiling point, what we have to know? Okay, please write down everyone what is elevation in boiling point. Increase in boiling point of solution. Increase in boiling point of solution on addition of non-volatile solute into the solvent is known as elevation in boiling point. We know very well vapor pressure of solvent is always greater than solution. Okay, because boiling point of solution. So if I talk about boiling point, whose boiling point will be high? Obviously solution, because in solution vapor pressure will be less. So yes, we need to give more temperature to raise the vapor pressure. Okay, when vapor pressure becomes equal to atmospheric pressure, then only it is going to be boil. Yes, then only it is going to boil. So what I mean to say, okay, vapor pressure components having high vapor pressure, components having, okay, much vapor pressure will have low boiling point, and components which are having, it means it may be solution also, I'm talking about including solution also, components those who are having low vapor pressure will have high boiling point. Okay, so hope elevation in boiling point everyone is clear. I repeat again, increase in boiling point of solution on addition of non-volatile solute into the solvent is known as elevation in boiling point. Okay, let boiling point of solution is denoted by TBS. Boiling point of pure solvent, pure solvent solvent is denoted by TB naught. Okay, so elevation in boiling point, so elevation elevation in boiling point, that is delta TB, dear children. Okay, what it will be? Delta TB is the difference how much elevated, yes, how much boiling point of solution is high, yeah, higher than solvent. Okay, so always what we do, maximum minus minimum, to get the difference of anything, how much it is elevated, okay, how much that boiling point increased. So what we need to do, beta? Boiling point of, whose boiling point is high? Solution boiling point. So boiling point of solution minus boiling point of solvent. Okay, so delta TB is equals to final relation, which is coming out TBS minus TB naught. This is all about relation of elevation in boiling point. Experimentally, one thing, yes, experimentally it is known, one of the thing, elevation in boiling point is always, elevation in boiling point is always directly proportional to molality of solution. Okay, molality of solution. So what I mean to say, delta TB is directly proportional molality of solution. So delta TB is equals to, there must be a proportionality constant which will be Kb. Okay, Kbm. Experimentally, so directly we have to write in this way, delta TB is equals to Kbm. Now what is Kb? Where Kb is proportionality constant, okay, proportionality constant, and after that we have to write down everyone, elevation in boiling point, elevation in boiling point for 1 molar solution, for 1 molar, molar means molality, from molality this term is taken. Okay, so for elevation in boiling point for 1 molar solution is known as this Kb, this Kb. Okay, elevation in boiling point for 1 molar solution, for 1 molar solution is known as Kb, means it is also known as ebullioscopic constant. Okay, it is also known as ebullioscopic constant. Ebullioscopy is, in the sense, it is also a temperature point, but it is called elevated because there are two terms that okay, from that you all have to have to be familiar. Okay, one of the cryoscopic temperature, one of the ebullioscopic temperature. So keep in mind everybody, ebullioscopic temperature is elevated temperature, means increased temperature, and what is cryoscopic temperature? Okay, this is decreased temperature. Okay, so very low temperature is said to be a cryoscopic temperature. So yes, I'll discuss it later on. Okay, wait. So ebullioscopic constant, this is Kb, or or elevation in boiling point, or elevation in boiling point constant. Yes, so this is all about your elevation in boiling point. It is directly proportional to m, and delta TB is equals to Kbm, where Kb is ebullioscopic constant or molar elevation in boiling point constant. At the last you have to write molar elevation in boiling point constant, point constant. Okay, since hope everyone is knowing, molality is equals to, since molality is equals to W by M dash into 1000 into capital W in gram. Okay, so let it equation number 1. From equation number 1, okay, here I can write from equation number 1, from equation number 1, what happened, dear children? Delta TB is equals to Kb. At the place of small m, what we can put? Yes, this one value, because it is molality ultimately to determine yes, to determine molar mass of solute. So what happened after putting W by m into 1000 into capital W in gram? This is one of the final relation. Okay, this is one of the final relation to determine molar mass of solute. Elevation in boiling point is one of the colligative property because it depends on molality, which is dependent on number of moles of solute particles. Okay, so whenever any property, okay, directly proportional to number of solute particles, it is said to be colligative property. Yes, does not on nature. So that is why elevation in boiling point is also one of the colligative property. So thank you very much, dear children. Okay, we'll meet you in the next video with the new content. Thank you.